two of the most trusted and best-selling sedans in America, the Toyota Camry and the Honda Accord. Both are popular, both are reliable, but today we're finding out which one actually makes more sense for your money.
In the United States, you'll see Camry and Accord almost everywhere, on highways, city roads, and suburban neighborhoods. These cars are trusted by families, office workers, students, and daily commuters.
The Toyota Camry has a sporty and aggressive exterior design. The sharp LED headlights, bold front grille, and muscular body lines give it a strong road presence, especially in newer models. The Honda Accord takes a different approach with a clean, elegant, and more premium design. Its longer body and smooth lines give it an executive and professional look. So when it comes to exterior styling, it really depends on your taste. If you like bold and sporty cars, the Camry stands out. But if you prefer classy and minimal design, the Accord feels more refined. Inside the Toyota Camry, everything feels practical and well-built. The layout is simple, the seats are comfortable, and Toyota focuses more on long-term durability rather than flashy design. The Honda Accord clearly feels more premium from the inside. You get better materials, a larger infotainment screen, and more legroom, especially for rear passengers. When you compare both interiors side by side, the Accord definitely feels more modern and upscale. However, the Camry still offers excellent comfort and simplicity for everyday use.
The Toyota Camry delivers a smooth, calm, and stress-free driving experience. It's perfect for daily commuting, long road trips, and family use, especially if comfort is your priority.
The Honda Accord feels more energetic on the road. Thanks to its turbocharged engine options, it responds quicker when you press the accelerator. It's especially enjoyable on highways and open roads. One of the biggest advantages of the Toyota Camry is its hybrid version. It offers excellent fuel economy, lower fuel costs, and a smoother driving experience in city traffic. For people who drive a lot, this can save a significant amount of money over time.
Both the Camry and Accord are fuel-efficient cars, which is very important today. But when we talk about long-term savings, the Camry Hybrid clearly stands out as the better option.
Toyota has built a strong reputation for reliability over many decades. The Camry is known for lasting many years with minimal problems. That's why so many people trust it as a long-term daily driver. When we talk about long-term ownership, maintenance cost plays a very important role. The Honda Accord is generally a reliable car, but its maintenance can be slightly higher compared to the Toyota Camry. This is mainly because newer Accord models use turbocharged engines, which require proper care and timely servicing. Regular oil changes, quality fuel, and scheduled maintenance are very important to keep the Accord running smoothly. If the car is maintained well, it performs great and lasts a long time. However, skipping maintenance can lead to higher repair costs in the future. That doesn't mean the Accord is expensive to own, but it does require a bit more attention. For buyers who don't mind regular servicing and want a more engaging drive, the Accord is still a solid long-term choice. Resale value is a major factor in the American car market, especially for people who plan to sell or upgrade later. Both the Toyota Camry and Honda Accord hold their value very well compared to many other sedans. However, the Toyota Camry usually has a slight edge in resale value. This is because Toyota has built a very strong reputation for reliability and low ownership cost over decades. Buyers in the used car market trust the Camry, which keeps its demand high. The Honda Accord also has strong resale value, especially well-maintained models. But overall, if resale value is a top priority for you, the Camry is usually the safer bet.
For family use, comfort, safety, and reliability matter more than anything else. The Toyota Camry checks all these boxes very well. It offers a smooth ride, comfortable seating, and a stress-free ownership experience. Parents often choose the Camry because it's dependable and easy to live with. It's great for school runs, grocery trips, and long family road trips. Fuel efficiency, especially in the hybrid version, is another big advantage for daily use. If your main goal is a worry-free family car that you can rely on every day, the Toyota Camry is one of the smartest choices in this segment.
The Honda Accord is designed for buyers who want a more premium and modern experience. From the interior materials to the overall driving feel, the Accord feels more upscale. It's a great option for professionals, long-distance commuters, and people who enjoy highway driving. The cabin feels open, refined, and comfortable, especially for passengers in the back seat. If you want a sedan that feels close to a luxury car without paying luxury car prices, the Honda Accord fits that lifestyle very well. It combines comfort, performance, and style in a balanced way. So, after comparing design, interior, performance, fuel economy, maintenance, and resale value, the final decision really depends on what you value the most. The Toyota Camry focuses on reliability, fuel efficiency, and long-term peace of mind. It's the kind of car you buy and keep for many years without worrying too much. The Honda Accord, on the other hand, offers a more premium interior and a more engaging driving experience. It's ideal for buyers who enjoy driving and want a more refined feel. Neither car is bad. It's all about matching the car to your needs. So that's our comparison between the Toyota Camry and the Honda Accord. Both are great sedans. It all depends on what you need most. If you enjoy honest car comparisons, subscribe to MotoMind X. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.